Hello, hello. The market is open right now. And what you're seeing here is live market action. So I'm recording this and the market is live. So this is happening right now. And in this video, I want to talk a little bit about some ETFs that are very popular. They are very liquid and they are very tradable. Now, I'm not saying you should trade these ETFs. These are just the ones that I trade that I tend to look at a lot. So first up, we have this one here, IWM. This one tracks the Russell 2000. And as you can see here, the bid is changing rapidly, 177, 57, 58, 59. Here's the ask size, here's the bid size, and then here's the last price. Over here on the right, 177.61 it says, or 60 now. And then here you have the change that you see in the day. So this is a good ETF for trading small cap stocks. So the Russell 2000. Currently, compared to the other markets I follow, this one is on sale, I guess you could say, compared to the other ones. Assuming that the price goes up, then we can look back at this moment and say, hey, the price is good now. But the market can do anything. I don't know what it's going to do. But relative to the other markets, it currently is in favor. SPY tracks the S&P 500. That's another really popular ETF. It's one of the first ones. Its inception is from like the early 90s, I believe 1993. I'd have to Google it, but I think it's been around since 1993. Oh, look at that! It just turned green for a second there. DIA is the only one I know that really tracks the Dow. So this will track the Dow for you. QQQ. This is basically what you can use to trade the Nasdaq. EFA, this is an international ETF. It's broad. And VXX, this is volatility. This always goes down, basically. Sometimes it'll go up, and when it does go up, it goes up a lot. But generally, it goes down. Every day, it tends to go down. But again, when it moves against you, it can move pretty sporadically. And then we have some leveraged ETFs down here. TZA and TNA, these are opposites. If you're bullish, you'd buy TNA. That pretty much tracks what the IWM does, basically. So like if IWM goes up, TNA is going to go up. If IWM goes down, TZA is going to go up. So this is the bear ETF. This is the bull ETF. FAS and FAS. FAS is bearish. FAS is bullish. So these are just some ETFs that you might want to look at if you're into trading, looking for things that are liquid. Fast, it's not as liquid as it used to be. I think some of these have died off in volume over the years. I've been in the markets for a long time, so I've seen the evolution of a lot of ETFs. I remember when they first came out, and I still feel like SPY, DIA, QQQ, IWM. These are the big four here. Then throw in the international ETF. These are the really big ones that I tend to follow more than the others. It kind of. If you go to like Yahoo Finance and you look at the markets, what do you got? You got the S&P 500, SPY tracks that. You've got the Dow, DIA tracks that. You've got the Nasdaq, so QQQ, and then you got the Russell 2000, so the IWM. So very liquid ETFs, worth looking at. Until next time, trade safe.